thanks for all your efforts. I think I'm looking forward. He loves all the kirtans and other things that are actually taught.
The way you all are teaching that through videos, through activities, they really enjoy. And she particularly was enjoying a lot the art and craft activity. She used to look forward for what they are going to teach, and I am happy that she used to manage it all alone.
So both me and Vithi used to love the Kirtans, the beginning of the camp, and she used to look forward, Mama, when it is 1:30 and I can begin the Kirtan. And the art and craft, she loved all the art and craft. As said, Ludo we played every day now.
The culture camp is like very interesting, and it really like even if we teach the kids, they are not in a mode to take it. But if it comes through a proper instructor, definitely they'll consider it and they'll take it very seriously rather than coming from the parents directly. So such things will really help the kids to understand our values, traditions, and also make them inclined towards the devotional activities.
And this culture camp is really very amazing class. And she has learned a lot of shlokas. It's nice to hear from the small kids this kind of Bhagavad Gita shlokas and all. And you people narrate the story in such a way, this kind of latest generation people understanding the stories of Bhagavad Gita and all. It's very thankful to you people. This camp is very worthful.
I mean, thank you for your class. We really enjoyed all the sessions, especially value lessons. And one of the classes also taught her about anger management, dance. She really enjoyed. She was very interested in dance poses. So continue this journey. Will we like to participate in the future events as well?
The camp was really interesting. I really liked that my children were focused. They learned many things which they were not aware of earlier. So I really appreciate the entire team of ISKCON for putting up such a beautiful program where every child got to participate in everything that they like. The array of activities that you offered were really interesting. Thank you so much.